So I had been studying this now for, at this point, perhaps 3 months. And I was in a bar, or outside a bar. It was a summer's day in Euston, in London. And I was with two of my friends, Alex and Steve, two very, very good friends. And Alex had been studying transurfing, and Steve hadn't. Just to give you some kind of small context here. So we're sitting outside, we're having a couple of drinks in the sun. It's all very casual, it's all very relaxed, it's a lovely day. These two guys walk up, heavily intoxicated. Like, I can smell the drink from 5 foot away from this guy. I can, he's badly presented, he's staggering everywhere, and it's like, okay, invasion of space immediately. You know, my nervous system is triggered in this moment, what's about to happen, like, and they just start talking very aggressively. Oh, yeah, you boys are gonna go in and buy us a drink, trying to grab our drinks, to drink our drinks off the table. Now this is, again, this is like fight-flight territory. This is, we retreat inside the pub, or you get in a fight, nobody wants to be doing that. And it just kind of kicked in this moment, like, to try and collapse the pendulum. Because I knew that I wasn't going to engage, and I could walk away from this quite okay and not really bothered by it, but let's play the game. So I turned around to break the pattern, and again saying something absolutely obscure, just to kind of really have that effect. So I turned around and said, absolutely fantastic. Kentucky Fried Chicken down the street do a Zinger Tower Burger. It is amazing. If you're hungry, I'd go there. They have this special sauce they put on top, and this Crushham's milkshake, which is a vanilla milkshake infused with Oreo. It's amazing. If you go there, please, and you enjoy it, come back and just tell us how good it was. Complete nonsense. Like, absolute nonsense in the context of the situation. And the guy just stands there and looks utterly confused. His friend looks utterly confused. They look at each other, they look back and they go, yeah, okay, have a good day. And kind of walk away with this kind of weird, I don't really know what just happened situation. I kind of sit back, think, that was pretty cool. Alex had been studying, it swings around and goes, I know what you just did, like, completely witnessed it happen. And again, you know, we talk about when you start practicing these things that are quite esoteric and outside of the realm of your normal existence and your normal experience, they can be cast aside as coincidence quite easily. Oh no, that's just coincidence, or it can be explained away in many other things. So whenever you're going through an esoteric practice like this, the key to really understanding it is to journal and to record examples of when this happens, because you'll either get to a point where you'll realize this isn't really working, I'm not really writing anything down, or like with myself, after the first 12 months of studying this, I had 384 separate examples of a similar level to that. Where it gets really interesting is when you understand that energy is non-local, and you are therefore able to do this, not necessarily with people that are next to you, but people potentially on the other side of the planet and everything that goes. So it's fun, and it's like anything. It's like anything, there needs to be kind of experimentation with it.